what it is. It's a special day, the day you get everything your way. So what do you want? I just don't have a thought. It's your birthday, what am I to do? I have nothing planned out or in store. Still I hope that this isn't a bore. I haven't said anything yet, I have to say it now. I wish you a happy birthday, but you know that you're one of my greatest friends. I hope that your birthday is awesome like you. I hope that all your wishes come true. You are now 15, you're another year old, and yet you still act so childish. But I guess that's why we all love you so much. Even me, I'm not telling a lie. Hey, now guess what? There's something to say. Once again on your one special day, Amber, you